How to log in into Amazon Prime Video account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Amazon Prime Video account. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now, let's begin. So the first step you will need to take is open up your web browser. Any web browser is fine. I will be using Safari. And after you do that, simply search for Prime Video. After you search for Prime Video, you can simply head over to the website. It's primevideo.com. Now, after you're on primevideo.com, you will see this interface. If you do not have a membership or if you do not have an account, tap on Start Your Free Trial. You can start a free trial and then start by being a member after the free trial ends. Now, if you are already a member and you already have an account, tap on Prime Video Member Sign In. After you tap on that, you will need to log in using your Amazon account. So simply tap on this and enter your email and then tap on Continue, enter your password and then tap on Login, and you'll get logged in into your Amazon Prime. Now you can start streaming videos, and that is basically it. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.